These are the little yard tools that I've been working on today. I just spray painted them black and then sprinkled cinnamon on them to give them that rusty look. I'm just going to crisscross them. So just cross them however you want them crossed, wherever you want them crossed. And then just take you a zip tie and pull it as tight as you can. And then I'm going to take some jute or twine, whatever you want to call it, and just, I'm going to take my glue gun and wrap it around this. Let me cut a piece off. So I just put a spot of glue on there, put my twine down, and now I'm just going to wrap it. I got this little sign at Dollar Tree. It says, "All things grow with love." I thought that was so cute. So I'm going to try to get this up the, yeah. I just broke the little stake off of it. And I'm going to put this on here. I'm going to just shimmy this little hanger that it's got on it up under the jute that we already have on there. I'm going to take a little glue and put on the back side of here to kind of hold it in place. And I'm also going to pull where we pulled this hanger through. I'm going to pull that and put that under. And so I'm just going to take this zip tie and tie it. So that's that with our little sign that says love grows here. It's really cute, y'all. With this little wheelbarrow that I've cinnamoned up and made look rusty. If y'all missed how I did that, I did the videos of that earlier. So I'm just going to put some Spanish moss in here. I'm going to use a whole bag, but you know, separate it. Pull it apart and all, so it's not just in a big one little clump. And y'all, the ribbons I used, I made sure I used ribbons that I can use all year on the shovel and rake. And then this, I'm just gonna put some little florals in it, but like I can switch it up in the fall and put like pumpkins in it if I want to, or you know, whatever. So I'm just gonna kind of shove these in here down into my moss. So I just want it to look like I've got just some flowers laying in here. I don't, like, not arranged or anything, like as if you were out in the yard picking flowers. All right, so none of this is glued, so it can all be moved around and, you know, switched out. I thought this made really cute front porch decor.